Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another makeup inspired look from Jennifer Winget. Let's begin the tutorial. So starting with prepping my skin with the face oil. It is from Good Wise Rosehip oil. This gives my skin a hydration and give a glow to my skin, and this boosts our collagen formation as well and help in foundation application also in further step. Now I'm spot correcting with the Swiss Beauty concealer in shade 01 to cover my hyperpigmentation and dark spots, and buffing it with a small concealer brush and diffusing all over my face to cover all the hyperpigmentation and get a clear canvas of my face. Applying same concealer over my eyelid and also buffing out with the same brush. For eyes today I'm using Makeup Revolution Soft Radiance palette to get the look. For transition shade I'm using this lightest brown shadow from this palette and buffing it with a big fluffy brush, giving a circular motion and a wiping motion for soft definition to my eyelids. Next shadow is darker than the previous shadow and applying with the same brush to all over my lid. Next, using this highlighter from the ROXXSSAURAUS palette from Makeup Revolution, using the same brush I applied all over my lid to get a subtle glow to my eyelid. Next, picking brown gold pencil from Wet n Wild and line my eyelid close to my lash line and smudging with a flat angular brush to get a softer appearance as well as give a definition to my eyelid to get the illusion of having a thicker false lash line. Next, picking this blue eyeliner pencil from Swiss Beauty and making a wing with that blue color and connecting with the brown eyeliner which I applied already to close to my lash line. Also applying at my lower waterline and smudging that out with the same angular brush. Next, I'm gonna quickly curl my lashes and apply thick coat of mascara, and the mascara I'm using today is from L'Oreal Paris in Lash Paradise Mascara, which is my favorite one because it gives length, volume and thickness to my lashes and give an illusion of having falsies on. This mascara gives you an option of either you can wear this makeup with falsies on or without falsies, depending on your choices. For this look, I'm using a cream foundation from Sugar in shade Romano. I'm blending it with a flat top kabuki brush from PAC. For highlighting my face, I'm also using a cream product from Maybelline Stick Foundation in shade Pure Beige. Applying it all over my face where I required a brightness to my face, and blending it with the back 219 concealer brush. Setting my concealer with a loose powder from Sugar, it is in shade Romano, and using the applicator sponge that has given with this product, I'm using that only to apply it under my eye to set my concealer. This will give light coverage, and also this has a color so that brighten up my skin more. Today I'm using a lighter shade for contouring my face because she wore a soft contour, not too much defined contour for the day look. So I'm gonna use this lighter shade for contouring my face from the ROXXSSAURAUS highlighting and contouring palette. Using same palette for highlighting my face in a golden shade with a flat fan brush. Again using same contour and highlighting palette, this time for filling my eyebrows. Yeah, that is right. I'm using this brown, darkest brown shade to filling my eyebrows. Now finishing up the whole look, applying lip liner and lipstick, and the lip liner is from Swiss Pretty in dark chocolate, which is my favorite one. Pretty much I use in every video this lip liner, and for filling my lipstick I'm using a Makeup Revolution lipstick in shade Wow. And this is the final look. Hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.